Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading with a spotlight on how to register on MEXC. If you're looking to start your crypto journey or expand your trading experience, this platform is an excellent choice to consider. MEXC is known for its user-friendly interface and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade. The registration process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, head over to the MEXC website. Click on the Sign Up button, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've filled that out, ensure to agree to the terms of service before clicking Register. Now, don't forget to verify your email. Check your inbox for the verification email from MEXC. Once you confirm it, your account will be set up and you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of crypto trading. What's more, to maximize your benefits, I highly recommend using my referral code 12K4M5 during registration. By entering this code, you'll unlock exclusive benefits that can give you a significant edge as you start trading. These may include trading fee discounts, promotional bonuses, or other rewards specific to MEXC that enhance your trading experience. Once you're fully registered and logged in, take some time to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading pairs and features available. MEXC offers a range of tools designed to help traders make informed decisions. And with your referral code in hand, you're not just a trader, you're a savvy investor. So what are you waiting for? Head over to MEXC, register using the referral code 12K4M5, and unlock your trading potential today. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and trading tips. Until next time, happy trading!